I'm literally my own pet peeve. I'm doing a squishy hop on a freaking treadmill. If you're wondering why I'm on a treadmill, I don't even know. Okay, so my first squishy is literally my pet peeve. Pray. I swear. It smells like popcorn. And I hate my life, so yeah. Popcorn. I'm so dumb. Okay, that's the squishy. It's really slow rising. It smells like popcorn. Actually, it smells like cigarettes, but I'm literally all for the hashtag views. My head is down here a lot. I'm sorry for that. This is what you signed up for. So this is my next squishy, and it's like a cake. And it smells actually good. If Landry or William sees this, my next squishy. Oops. The next squishy I have is this little tiger thingamabobber. And like right here, it's coming apart because, you know, my cat is pretty aggressive. So, jeez, I got personal quick. Okay, so this is the squishy. I'm sorry if I'm triggering you the way I squish squishies, but I swear. And I missed the box. My next squishy I have is a narwhal, and it's really messed up. Like right there, it's literally like makeup or something. And then right there, that's paint. I take really good care of my squishy. Friggin'. I'm literally so dumb. Squish test. Beautiful. Do it. The next squishy I have, it fell off the treadmill. And I have to get it, so hold on. I didn't pause it. The next squishy I have is this little, whatever it's called, a koala, I think. Yum. Oi! Hi, friends. It is Wednesday, my dudes. Just kidding, it's Friday, so back up. Okay, I have mini squishies now, and then they're the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna die. If it looks like I have a black eye, that's just mascara, because I'm really bad at putting makeup on, and I'm not wearing any makeup. Okay, this is like Twizzlers or some crap. It's like cutest. Okay. Beauty gurus are gonna be screaming at me in the comments. Squish it. Oh my god, I'm really living for this top-notch acting quality. This is popcorn. Just watch me back up slowly. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I have popcorn squishy, and it has a face. Boy. And it's not that slow rising, but it's slow rising. I missed again. What is my issue with throwing? This is the longest video in the whole entire world of friend. I have nachos. No, I dropped a squishy. Wait. Okay, here's my nachos. And yeah, squishy. Wow. To go with the nachos, pretzels. Has a little face. Too personal for you, that's what I thought. Okay. Beautiful, wow. And then the ice cream. The ice cream. Oh! No, no. Okay. Now the drink. Okay, squish test. I didn't even squish the ice cream. Yeah, I did. Okay. I'm literally sweating. What is my issue? Okay, here's the drink, whatever. Oh, it could be an earring, but I'm gonna. Oh, it could. Oh. Okay, guys. So, corn dog. Another earring. Ooh. I'm single as a Pringle. Ooh. I need to stop. I'm gonna go on the highest speed now. No. I need to literally stop. So, bye. Oh, I need to brush my teeth. Don't tell my grandma. Oh my god, I need to shut up. I'm sorry.